What frame rate are your eyes?
24.
24, okay.
None of that 30 frames per second.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Action.
Okay.
Break.
We're gonna wing it.
I, in the rig car, are headed to Duluth. It's a Friday. Tomorrow we've got a call time of 5 a.m. with Tobey, Andres, and Krafft Visuals. They've hired us for something new. We're rolling out this service, which is basically the rig car. Tobey Krafft and Krafft Visuals needed someone who had the equipment and the time, and obviously the cars to film other cars, which is exactly what we do. So, this is our first project that is not actually our project, in which we've been hired to show up with a car, a rig, and fly someone else's camera. So our job this weekend is to show up and drive. We're gonna let Tobey take control. We're gonna take you guys behind the scenes. This is something new. We're in the S4, as you guys can see. We just finished Crown Rally, and Crown Rally took a toll on these cars. So this one is all salty from the salt flats. I just went through a car wash. I've got all the gear in the back here. The M3 is still in Salt Lake City at Lux Automotive. Huge shout out to Lux Automotive. We did everything to try to get the M3 back on the road for the second half of Crown Rally, but we had no luck. We'll update you on the M3 as we find out. But now we're headed to Duluth, so let's go. I've learned a new skill and I'm gonna show you what that is. I can drive one-handed. Here we go. You know you're getting close to the North Shore when it's foggy. What are you working on, Andres?
Because then we could do this and then attach all the other ones to this rail, just on one side.
It's quite the... It's like Legos.
It is Legos. Yeah,
Getting everything prepped for tomorrow.
There you go. Really expensive. All the gear set up.
This is Tobey.
You must obey today.
Who is this?
This is whoever watches us.
Alright, well, nice to meet you.
Krafft Visuals at work. And AA Films, or Andres, the DP.
It's just me, guys.
It's just Andres now. What time is call time tomorrow?
5:30.
So we gotta
Before the sun rises.
we gotta build all this first.
Yeah. This is where I need a producer, because my brain, like I said, doesn't work like this.
Hello. You're the director, you can be producer too.
This was like the cool bay, so this was like...
Yeah, it was like early on. It's like where I was like, oh, we need to get drone here. Like, just been dropping pins instead. Okay.
Break.
We're gonna wing it.
Good morning.
Are you a true Coke addict?
Yes.
Yeah.
When coffee's not there,
Coke is.
Coke will always be. This is our camera car build today. We're up in Two Harbors, Duluth. Today we're flying the red Scarlet W with a 18 to 35 lens. Andres just staring at me. The Flow Cine black arm, the Motocrane PSC kit, which if you look at this, This makes it all possible. The Motocrane SSG suction cups allows us to mount onto virtually any car. This is local to us, so obviously we used our own car. But we're about to go shoot the new 765. Testing monitors,
Tilt speeds.
testing control. Andreas, Tobey. Tobey, this is your first time.
Yeah, first
Camera
time.
car. Hopefully you like it.
I'm psyched. Yeah, this is sweet. The control is really nice. It's fast.
You've got all the adjustments on here. I accidentally broke this knob off, but tilt, roll, pan, so you can get like cool, all the roll shots you want. What's our next shot?
I want to get a shot like right behind it of like coming out of the tunnel here,
Yes.
since it looks nice this way now.
Yes.
And like get a shot like just tracking nice and smooth behind him.
We're gonna go through, let's go left through the tunnel, do a U-turn when you want, and then we'll follow you back out of the tunnel.
That was our turn back there.
We're gonna take the red off, and we're done shooting front gimbal shots. So we're gonna take this red off, set it up for tripod stuff, and then later today we're gonna put this whole rig on the back of the car and get some more sunset stuff from that way. So.
Parkour. Radio check. We're gonna try to film what we can in the state park here, so stay really close to the camera.
Ooh, pretty.
We're gonna pick up the speed a little bit.
What is that?
That's such a stupid noise. Oh my god, I've never heard that before.
Shut up! Oh, it hurts my head. Next time I'm in oncoming traffic, come up closer to our rear quarter so you're a little closer to the car. Better?
That was sick. That was like a money shot right there.
I'm a sucker for matte things.
What do you mean matte things?
Like you're like in the grocery store and you buy like, or you like looking at the packages, right? And like I see like a matte package, and like I automatically feel like it's more like expensive or like higher quality because the packaging is matte.
You like our matte car?
Yeah, it's very high quality.
Dang, this is a big boy.
You know you're cool when you mount your monitor sideways. That means you got people working on you.
Sideways hat.
GPP jump. Freeze frame.
5, 4,
Yeah, turn.
3,
Yep, then you can
2,
again.
1.
Action. One take wonder. One take. Okay, next location.
Fly by with me.
Static flyby location number 3.
Hey, go. Tell them to go now. Where's the thing? Oh my god.
We're getting a shot of like right in between here, so you don't have to go that far back that way. Just go down the road, turn around, and then just like fly back here, and then come back to where you are right now, and we'll kind of reset and do it again probably.
I'm gonna snipe it with the BTS camera.
Bro, that was so sick.
Explain what you're doing.
This asphalt needs watering. It's just been too long.
I think that might have worked.
That looked pretty good.
Pass, but he hit it perfectly.
I think that might have worked. I saw it with my eyes in real time.
It looked
Yeah,
cool.
All right, let's watch it.
Get in with my eyeballs.
What frame rate are your eyes?
24.
24, okay.
None of that 30 frame per second.
Yep, now you can go. Go ahead. Right side of, or like right where the cabin is, and we'll just
Okay.
like pull off to the side of the road.
Okay.
I'll probably switch, and like honestly we'll probably send him back, because I mean we pretty much have everything.
Yeah.
And so unless
almost a wrap.
Unless, yeah, it's pretty much a wrap.
The audio is just what's left.
Yeah, audio.
And internal. Interior.
I put my life
in Jason's
hands.
hands.
Yes. I do that often. And
Do you feel safe with me?
I feel safe with you.
Yeah.
Sometimes I don't.
Oh, is that it?
I think that's a wrap, yeah. Dude, that thing's insane. It's literally like a freaking go-kart.
It's like
on the
lightning.
highway that goes ungodly fast.
Ah, we did it.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Ah.
Pound my camera.
That good?
And good night.